Alright, I got a quick video for you guys today on a doorstop issue I've had since I moved into this house. And this is a duplex, there's two sides. And pretty much everywhere in the house has one of these old school springy doorstop things. And you can see what's happened to this one. It keeps catching and it's just been wrecked. And I'm really got sick of fixing these things. And they're really chintzy. You know, even if I replace it with a new one, it's really not going to do any good because it's just going to happen again. So I came up with a brand new idea. I went with a more homemade industrial door stop type of thing. And what this is this is a flange. I had, for some reason, I had a whole bunch of these. This is a flange for a closet clothes hanger pole. And it's actually the perfect size to make a door stop. And of course it's hollow, so what I did was I took a large rubber plug. You could use almost anything you have on hand, maybe even cork or plastic plug or whatever. I inserted it into the hole, and then I put a backing of epoxy all through that, so now you got a nice little rubber bumper stopper, and I aligned it perfectly with the doorknob, boom, so it hits there every time, and that negates the use of this ridiculous floor level door spring thing where it's catching on everything and just getting wrecked. And now I'm just going to remove all the door spring things and just go with these, because these are probably never going to wear out, and it's going to do just as good, if not better, of a job. So I wanted to share that with you guys. This channel is all about improvements you can make that are no-brainers and quick improvements, and I hope wholesome and fulfilling and really good solid improvements. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.